When I first started embracing minimalism and downsizing my possessions, I quickly learned how little I actually needed to be happy. The more I reduced my belongings and the more often I said no to making a purchase, the more I realized that a greater reward was waiting, and that was freedom. Freedom from clutter, freedom from stress, and most importantly, freedom from the time wasted on decision fatigue, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed by stuff. So, needless to say, this realization was a light bulb moment for me, and I've applied it to every area of my life since, and one that I've experienced the greatest benefit from is makeup. If you're anything like me, then you probably love beauty products and have a really hard time not buying them. When I first started downsizing, beauty was really hard for me to tackle because I really enjoy it. I love the packaging, I love the marketing, I love the hype around it. I love how beauty products make us feel. I love the routines that we create around them, and I love having them be a part of my everyday life. So I've really had to be mindful of not overbuying. And one thing that's really helped me do that has been to create a capsule makeup collection and routine. So I'll create one every season that has a couple products that give me the look I want to achieve, and I really try to use those products all the way through before buying a replacement. It's been really helpful in kind of changing the way I view beauty, and instead of tossing something to the side just because it's not new anymore, I'm really mindful and appreciative of having it in the first place and really try to use it before moving on to the next shiny pretty thing. And it's worked really well for me also because I find that personally the irony behind the whole buy, more mentality is that oftentimes the more we have, the less we use. By eliminating the excess and only keeping what I actually use and love, I can enjoy all of the fun without the frustration. And for me, a few carefully selected products are all I need to get the look that I want. First is base. For this, I like something that gives me the coverage that I like depending on the season and the look that I'm going for. Sometimes it's full, most of the times it's light. Cheeks, either a neutral blush or even a bronzer that I can use even on my eyes in place of eyeshadow is a really great thing that I love these days. And then for brows, either a brow pencil, tinted brow gel, or even a powder, preferably a one and done product is ideal. For eyes, I love mascara, and I wear it either with or without a primer depending on the mood. And then if I'm feeling extra fancy and I have some time, I'll throw on some eyeliner as well. And then last but not least, 99% of the time I'm wearing an untinted lip balm, but if I want to feel a little extra special, I'll throw on something that has a slight tint or something that reacts to the pH in your own body, which I think is so cool. It gives you your own personalized color. I'm able to put together a look that feels like me and can be accomplished in about 10 minutes so that I can spend less time getting ready and more time living.